Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to block spam on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we go to Mail, then we open up the menu. Here we have iCloud, click on Inbox. Select the message we want to block as spam, then click on the person. Here we select from. Click on the username. And here we have blocked this contact. After that, we were able to block spam messages from any user. Now they won't come to us anymore. If you liked this video and it helped you. If you liked and helped this video, you can give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write in the comments whether you got my way of doing it or not. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.